Do you know what e-waste is?
No.
No, you care to enlighten me?
These are classmates from our high school in Philadelphia. Like us, they didn't know much about e-waste and never considered what happens to electronics after they are thrown away. Even some teachers didn't know what it was. This is a big issue. How can we tackle the problem of e-waste if no one even knows about it?
E-waste is trash made out of stuff like phones, computers, and other machines. The way that these electronics are made and thrown away are damaging our earth and our health because they usually contain plastics and toxic heavy metals. In fact, e-waste is only 2% of the trash in landfills, but still equals 70% of all the toxic waste in the US. Young people like us are the ones who have to deal with the consequences. We will be the ones who will need to have education, skills, and experience to design solutions.
After we interviewed our classmates to check their knowledge on the problem, we followed up with a survey. The survey proved that even more students didn't know about e-waste than we originally thought. They didn't know where or even if they could recycle it. Once we told them what it was though, our survey also showed that most of our classmates and teachers would be interested in learning more at school.
We wondered what would happen if high schoolers were more aware of the problem of e-waste. What if they had the opportunity to explore alternative materials for electronics in their classrooms?
Our project provides the educational tools that help our future scientists and designers to research biomaterials for electronics. We have designed a kit that helps students explore sustainable materials for electronics. The Certified Earth Lovers Pack, or CEL Pack, contains supplies that will help to guide students through different educational activities in a hands-on way.
One of the activities that we designed is around bioplastic. The student can research and create bioplastic structures that could replace the plastics used in the electronics. We made bioplastic in the lab using chitosan starch to test this idea. Chitosan is found in crabs, shrimps, and some fungi and algae. This material has been found to be a great source for biodevices that need to be flexible. In the future, we could create other activities using common resources like cellulose. Cellulose is found in plants and from our research can be used as a base for printed electronics. It can even be combined with metals to make it conduct electricity. We could design a kit that helps students to create simple and organic boards, for example.
We asked ourselves how we could add this educational tool to our own school. So we talked to our principal about creating an elective class that focuses on sustainability, and he was excited about the idea.
Could be an opportunity that we can actually start bringing at the high school level to not only study within our classroom, but also how can we extend that learning also outside the building as electives and also independent studies as well.
Teachers would facilitate a lesson based on a specific CEL Pack. Then each student would do the activities throughout the school year. The idea is for students to have a long-term relationship with this toolkit so that they are encouraged to do their own research and experiments even after school.
We feel that high schools like ours could partner with companies like Google in the future. The CEL Pack would be an opportunity for those companies to research new biomaterials that could be eventually used in their products. The packs can help companies to invest in sustainability and give educational opportunities for students at the same time. We imagine this elective class to be a fun and educational experience for us, our classmates, and our teachers. In the future, maybe it could reach other schools too. Our hope is that the program turns into something permanent that covers the complex topic of sustainability. We want to build something for the educational system that helps students to learn about their planet and how to keep it safe and healthy.
Making this idea a reality could come with some challenges though. Since most of our classmates have never heard of e-waste, it might be hard to get them excited about taking another class. We have to get them to care. And our plan is to create interest by showing them the importance and relevance of e-waste by introducing them to activities in the CEL Pack. Once they are convinced to enroll in the elective, we think that they will continue to show up because we offer a hands-on experience. When we were making bioplastics in the lab, we realized that learning this way was much more fun than a regular class.
After considering possible challenges, we decided that testing this class alongside companies like Google is the next step we want to take. We believe that the CEL Pack is an opportunity for businesses to research bioelectronics while helping students like us learn and create a better future.
Hopefully this idea will one day become a reality. We need better education around sustainability and problems like e-waste. The CEL Pack can help us reach that goal. Collaboration is the key to creating a more sustainable future for us and the next generations. How can we expect to find solutions to big problems like this when students aren't given the opportunity to learn or participate in the process?
Do you know what e-waste is?